Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me? She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father turns to stone, will you take care of me? I will make you queen of everything you see. I'll put you on the map, I'll cure you of disease. Let's say we up and left this town and turned our future upside down. We'll make pretend that you and me lived ever after happily. She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father
Hello guys, first time I'm talking in this video when it's night. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been talking at all in this video, but I've been like, it's been so much to do today. It's so much. I've been on a beach. That's nice. It was really nice. Many cats, I love it. But right now I'm just gonna fix my bag since we're going home tomorrow, which is sad since I will miss all the cats. That's probably the reason why. I almost just finished packing my bag. I have some stuff left that should be in this bag. Yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video and stay awesome, bros. I'm just kidding, I'm not PewDiePie. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If not, too bad for you. Yeah, see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Oh, about 2 days, yeah, since I can't upload a video at the airplane, so yeah, about 2 days, yeah, I post the video about when I'm going home. Thank you for watching.
Loving you is like a fairy tale. I just can't pick up the phone again. This time I'll be on my own.